In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord webcam is not working. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Discord and go onto user settings. Scroll down until you find the voice and video. Scroll down until you find camera and make sure you choose the correct camera. After that, what I suggest you do is you head over to advanced. Then what you want to do is you want to turn off hardware acceleration. Close down Discord completely. So right here, right click, quit Discord, and then reopen Discord and come in here and then enable hardware acceleration. Just like this. So what you want to do is just, like I said, you want to turn it off if you already have it on. If you don't have it on, you just want to turn it on and then it's going to restart the Discord. So once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come to device manager. So search for device manager, open it. And in here you should have something called camera. Now my camera is not plugged in right now, but you should find the one with the camera. And I'm just gonna use my GPU instead. But for you, you want to press on the camera, drop it down, select the camera, right click, update driver, search automatically. And if it says it's already the best, then you want to go back, choose this one, and then you want to select the camera here, the second one. If there's two, if there's only one, just choose one, and then go next. After that, you should restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.